Hello Pune, this is Tushar again reporting from Young Sutra. You can see what I'm wearing. This is the pride of the nation. This is the flag of India. आज 26 जनवरी है और आज हम अपना संविधान दिन मनाते हैं, रिपब्लिक डे मनाते हैं। हम आज पुणे की स्ट्रीट्स पे जाने वाले हैं। एज यू कैन सी आई एम ऑन बुलेट और देखने वाले हैं कि अपने यंगस्टर्स, अपने यंग सूत्रास को कितनी अवेयरनेस है कि 26 जनवरी क्या है और किस लिए मनाई जाती है। Please watch this video till the end. I'm sure you'll have fun and you'll understand what the youngsters of Pune do to celebrate this occasion of 26th January, where our constitution was established, and also to understand what extraordinary stuff the people of Pune do. So this is because you're a proud Indian?
Yes, of course.
Can you guys be bold enough to sing Vande Mataram or Jana Gana Mana for us? Okay, can you sing that for me? And I'll also sing it with you guys. What is 26th Jan according to you?
Republic Day.
Republic Day. What has happened on Republic Day?
No, it's what do you say? The rules. I mean, not the rules exactly.
What rules?
No, wait. The Constitution was formed.
Constitution was formed. Okay. 26th Jan means?
Well, it's one day wherein a lot of people, they show their patriotism.
तो आपके हिसाब से 26 जनवरी क्या है? हम लोग हॉलीडे क्यों मनाते हैं?
National holiday.
Oi, 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 oi.
26 Jan is something, it is all about Republic Day.
Is it holiday or?
The constitution was signed on this.
Yeah, it is Republic Day. And what has happened on Republic Day?
Maybe starting for Independence Day.
Our constitution was formed basically by the time from 1947 to 50, whatever the period was, we were going according to the British rule only, according to their policies. But actually on the 26th Jan Republic Day, our constitution was formed.
So what is today? What is 26 Jan?
Republic Day, I don't know actually.
26 जनवरी का मनवतो? क्यों हम 26 जनवरी मनाते हैं?
आपल्या प्रजासत्ताक दिन म्हणजे आपण जे संविधान बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर लिहिलं होतं त्याचे आपण ऍक्सेप्ट म्हणजे ते आपण स्वीकार केले या दिवशी 26 जानेवारी 1950 रोजी
1950 रोजी bang on
26th of Jan is wherein India became republic and our constitution was written.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की
जय. Madhur, what is the difference between 15th August and 26th Jan?
15th August is the Independence Day.
And 26th Jan?
This is a Republic Day.
Republic. स्वातंत्र्य दिवस आणि संविधानाचा दिवस हा कुठल्या म्हणजे तारीख काय आहे? कधी कधी मनवतो?
15 ऑगस्ट दिवशी स्वातंत्र्य झालं 1947 आणि 26 जानेवारी 1950 साली प्रजासत्ताक झालं रिपब्लिक.
Yeah, it's a national holiday, that's obvious. But why? What is the difference between 15th August and 26th Jan?
That day we got our independence.
Independence
Yeah,
Day.
yeah.
और आज अपने को 26th
Constitution
was formed. And what does constitution mean?
वो इतना नहीं मालूम है यार अभी वो ठीक से पढ़ा नहीं है अभी तो लॉ में घुसेंगे तो पढ़ेंगे.
Okay, what is Independence Day and what is Republic Day?
I don't know that. Really, I'm so sorry.
Focus on इस चेहरे को गौर से देखो.
Bahar, Gupta, Bahar.
Bahar. Okay. Bahar आई और Bahar. What is the difference between 15th August and 26th Jan?
Okay, 15th August is the Independence Day, like we were free on that day, and Republic Day is basically when there were rules and regulations for the country, so like that we're supposed to follow. So like that is the difference.
राइट्स टू द सिटीजन्स
ड्यूटीज है अलग अलग.
Okay. What else we do on 26th?
What else we do?
झंडा वंदन फ्लैग होस्टिंग.
What is the pride taking this flag?
As I said, it's like patriotism. That is what we display.
3 कलर्स है, क्या तुम वो 3 कलर्स को डिफाइन कर पाओगे?
एक सैफ्रॉन है, एक वाइट है, वाइट फॉर पीस, ग्रीन फॉर ग्रीनरी टाइप, आई गेस हाँ. और सैफ्रॉन का नहीं मालूम.
ओके, देश की जो दुर्गति हो रखी है इसी चेहरे का
ये
and the flag which is Indian flag which we all are proud of, you carrying behind your bike, what does it stand for? The color, the combination.
Sorry, I don't know that.
आणि आपला जो ध्वज आहे, हे, भारताचा जो ध्वज आहे त्याचा 3 कलर आहेत, त्याचे प्रतीक काय आहेत?
फर्स्ट ऑरेंज, दॅट त्याचा म्हणजे जो आपल्या जो सैनिक वगैरे जे लोक आहेत त्यांनी जे बलिदान दिलंय त्याचं प्रतीक आहे ऑरेंज. दुसरा जो आहे तो व्हाईट कलर, तो पीस. तिसरा जो आहे तो ग्रीनरी, जे आपला देश हा कृषीप्रधान देश आहे त्याचं प्रतीक आहे. आणि त्याच्यावरती जो मध्ये अशोक चक्र जे आहे ते त्याच्यामध्ये 24 तास काम करतात इथले लोक.
It stands for peace, green for prosperity, and saffron for freaks. We should go back to school.
Okay.
आप कर रहे हैं
हाँ.
यंग सूत्र ना, आई गेस. हाँ, तो फिर
This is young सूत्रा means खुल के बोलो, और आप जो खुल के बोल रहे हो that is what it is. So गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को. ग्रीन के
देख सकते हैं फेसबुक पे.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Saffron stands for. I think saffron is for prosperity. No, green is for prosperity. White is for peace, and saffron stands for. I'm so sorry.
And who wrote this constitution?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru. गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को also.
Sorry. Dude, why can't you just help me?
Written by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar.
Who wrote this constitution?
रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर.
रवींद्रनाथ टागोर. गुड. गौर से देखिए इस चेहरे को. आणि संविधान म्हणजे काय?
राज्यघटना बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांनी जी लिहिली त्याचं सगळ्यांनी ऍक्सेप्टन्स केल्यानंतर ते संविधान तयार झाले.
I guess B.R. Ambedkar.
Yeah, his Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar wrote this constitution. थँक यू सो मच गाईज. अजून काही प्रश्न विचारेल, कारण की तुम्ही खरंच यू आर दॅट अवेअर यंगस्टर्स, बिकॉज आय डिडंट फाइंड पीपल गिविंग these right answers. Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
The first time APJ Abdul Kalam, right? No.
So who has written the national anthem of India?
नॅशनल अंत रवींद्रनाथ टागोर.
Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India.
Prime
Who
Minister.
is the President of India?
No, don't come to me, please. Don't.
And Vande Mataram?
बंकिम चंद्र चॅटर्जी. बंकिम चंद्र चॅटर्जी.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I guess. Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Republic Day is a Constitution Day where our Constitution was written. It was in 1950. Though we got our independence on 1947, that is 15th of August, and the Constitution was written by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Okay, so we celebrate this day because we got our law, our Constitution in place on 1950. That is 26th Jan. No, we are doing this awareness drive. यही सवाल मैं हर एक से पूछ रहा हूँ कि आज के दिन ही क्यों फ्लैग, आज के दिन ही हम लोग वो गाने क्यों सुनते हैं कि मेरा देश महान, ये जय जवान जय, कि सेलिब्रेट दिस वी डू गानास एंड ऑल दिस थिंग. जवानों की याद आज के दिन में आती है, बाकी दिन नहीं आती है.
This is not the only time when we show patriotism. Actually, it has to be like from within. And when days like these, we should not miss an opportunity to, show that we are patriotic.
roadies and real young sutras. I just want to take a bite in terms of why they did this rally. Ms. Sam, what was this for?
This was basically every 15th August and 26th Jan we do a ride, which is a city ride wherein all biking enthusiasts from our club who basically come together at 3 o'clock at Volkswagen showroom, and then we do a city ride and end it at Bhojwani School. This is a regular custom going on with Road Shakers, and we have been following it since 2001 now.
So this is because you're proud Indian?
Yes, of course.
And coming to the girls, what it takes to be a group of road shakers?
Well, I'm a pillion,
Okay.
and it's pride. It's great to ride with road shakers.
And who's the rider here? You though? Okay. You the man or you the woman of the group?
I'm the woman of the group, of course.
So what it takes to drive such a huge group, because I've seen that sound makes the goosebump comes on your body. So what it takes to be a part of Road Shakers?
It's passion, pure passion.
It's passion.
And pride for the club.
Pride for the
Club.
okay, and pride for
As
India
well as
as
the country. Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. Jai! 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 Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. We are here to end this day with music, and music is the soul of everything. And as we were on the streets of Pune to ask people what is 26th Jan or what is Republic Day for them, and here we are with the band whom we met on the streets, and they were courteous enough to invite us to their studio where they jam up, they create music from here. And the group name is City Code 12. They say life without music would be flat. It's Akshay who is on bass guitar, and moving to the lady who's the only lady of this group, and her name is Vrunda. Vrunda is the vocalist, and she's also playing the harmonium. And here is Shantanu, the man with jacket, and the man who is vocalist as well. And here is Toshik. Toshik is on the piano. Am I right?
Yeah.
We hope to see a great performance here, and hope the viewers of Young Sutra loves this performance as well.
This was City Code 12 for you. So subscribe to Young Sutra. Thank you.